Hi, this is Vignesh and this is my wife Shweta.
Hello.
We are owners of a 3 BHK in Doshi, Risington, and we have purchased this property recently, and we have been here since the last 1.5 years.
Yeah, so buying a property on OMR was a huge decision making process for us, and we were guided by three important factors for this property purchase decision. So firstly, when myself and Vignesh were kind of shortlisting properties, the location aspect was very important for us. So on OMR, Doshi Risington is the only property which is bang on OMR. Other properties, they claim to be on OMR, but we had to walk at least 1 kilometer inside lanes, and so we weren't too happy about that. And accessibility wise also we were very happy with it.
Correct.
Right, Vignesh?
Correct. So we were actually looking at other properties also while confirming this, and then we found out that other properties were very inside. It's about 2 kilometers inside the OMR and all. So we were not really happy, and then we came across Doshi Risington, and we thought, okay, why not go for it? Accessibility wise, there are a lot of schools nearby, and the beach is very close. It's about 2.5 kilometers from here. Again, when you come inside the society, you can have the viewpoint of the reserve forest also.
Yeah. And that was one thing. Location we were very happy about, so that was checked. Secondly, the construction quality and this layout of the society, it was brilliant. I mean, everything was in the place where it had to be. There's a clubhouse, there's a swimming pool, the blocks are, you have enough space for walking, and the construction fittings, everything. If you see the house, you will immediately get the feel of a very superior quality. So we were absolutely impressed with that point. Thirdly, being the facilities in the society and the amenities provided. So we have a toddler who is 1.5 years old. So obviously we wanted a play area, and we wanted a proper open space for the kid to grow up. So the society again provides that. And I think Vignesh is a fitness freak, so obviously he wanted the gym.
Yeah. So I, being a fitness freak, I was very regular to the gym. During the COVID times, again we were not able to, but then Doshi was prompt in opening the gym during the COVID. So we went to the gym off and on, and then the rules were properly followed. And then the toddler wise, what we had was that the toddler room is very big, and there are a lot of amenities within the society also. So we have the swimming pool, and then we have the inside squash court and all that. We have a lot of indoor games. So we even have a indoor video game whole room dedicated for that.
Yeah, actually it's just that we don't have enough time for that many amenities, I would say.
So once you come inside Doshi, you won't have time to spend for all those amenities. There are a lot of amenities over here.
Right. So all in all, I think there wasn't any question about it. We were very certain that Doshi Risington is the place where we want to be. This is our first purchase, and we are very happy with it.
Yeah, and last but not the least, we even went for the interiors with Doshi only, and they did a very good job. They were very prompt in it, and the fittings are all perfect. You can just have a look.
Yeah, thank you so much.